Hi guys, today we are going to talk about the TikTok application and we will show you how to reverse video on TikTok. So let's go to this app, click on it one time and let's shoot a new video after tapping on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. So first and foremost I will show the HardReset.Info logo. Remember it please, and after I will show the TikTok one. So let's tap on the check mark button. Let's go to the effects option at the bottom of the screen. Later we need to choose the time option to the time section. And let's tap on the reverse feature. It will be to the duration of all of the video. So let's tap on the save and check the result. As you can see, I show at the first step the TikTok logo and after only the HardReset.Info one. So as you can see, the video was reversed successfully. To save it, let's tap on the next button and choose the drafts K or post one to post this and add this video to your profile. Thanks guys for the watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our HardReset.Info channel, and of course don't forget about our TikTok HardReset.Info account. Good luck!